In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to align text in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you're working on a logo, poster, social media graphic, or any design project, proper text alignment makes a huge difference in how professional your layout looks. The good news is that aligning text in Illustrator is very simple once you know where to look. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project and make sure your text is already created on the artboard. If you haven't added text yet, you can press the T key on your keyboard to activate the Type tool, then click anywhere on the artboard and start typing. Now, to align your text, the first thing you need to do is select it properly. Go to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. This is the black arrow tool at the top of your toolbar. Once the Selection tool is active, click directly on the text object you want to align. You should see a bounding box appear around the text, which means it's selected and ready to be adjusted. With your text selected, the next step is to open the Align panel. If you don't already see it on your screen, go to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Align from the drop-down list. As soon as you click it, the Align panel will appear, usually docked on the right side of your workspace. If your workspace looks different, you can drag and reposition the panel wherever it's most convenient for you. Inside the Align panel, you'll see several alignment options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on horizontal alignment. These options control how your text aligns relative to other objects or to the artboard itself. Let's start with Horizontal Align Left. With your text selected, click on the Horizontal Align Left button in the Align panel. This will align the left edge of your text to the left side of the selected alignment reference. If you're aligning to the artboard, make sure the Align To option at the bottom of the panel is set to Align to Artboard. If it's set to Align to Selection, Illustrator will align objects relative to each other instead. Next is Horizontal Align Center. This option is perfect when you want your text perfectly centered. Simply click the Horizontal Align Center button. If Align to Artboard is selected, your text will snap directly to the horizontal center of your artboard. This is especially useful for titles, headings, and centered layouts where symmetry matters. Finally, we have Horizontal Align Right. Click the Horizontal Align Right button and your text will align to the right side of your selected reference area. Again, double-check your Align To setting if the result isn't what you expected. Most alignment issues happen because the alignment reference is set incorrectly. One important tip to remember is that alignment works based on what is selected. If you select multiple objects along with your text, Illustrator will align them together. If you only want to align the text to the artboard, make sure only the text is selected and that Align to Artboard is chosen in the panel. And that's it. That's how you align text in Adobe Illustrator using the Align panel. It's quick, simple, and once you get used to it, it becomes second nature in your design workflow. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.